Let's take a detailed look at the Level 1 math coursebooks from The Good and the Beautiful. I'm Elaine from On the Same Page Together, and on this channel we talk about all things family. Today I have Kiddo 1 helping me with this flip through. If you stick around to the end, I have some bonus prep tips for you. Alright, let's jump in. Here's the prerequisites needed to be able to do Math 1. For those new to The Good and the Beautiful, the following prerequisites are covered in Math 1 transition lesson. Since it's a free PDF download, I won't really be doing a flip through on it, but they should have transition lessons for each level from Math 1 and above if you are new to The Good and the Beautiful. So I will have that link down below in the description for you to go check out. there's book 1. Here's book 2. Table of contents, continuation, lesson 66. Standard supplies to have on hand, additional supplies as needed. And then here's the story that 66 will direct you to. Congratulations, you completed Math 1.
You made it to the end. Here's those bonus tips I promised.
Additional materials needed for part 1. And if you're like me, I would recommend maybe looking ahead at the lessons to see what these are needed for, because sometimes the activities that they call for an extra items for, it's not an activity I really want to get into, or not an activity my child is interested in. So we end up skipping it, and if I had gathered those items, I would not use them. If they're just household items, maybe you know where they are, no big deal. But if it's something you would need to go buy, see if you can find the lesson before you buy it. You need to get your coins, and those coins are used often, so you definitely want to get them prepped and put in like baggies. And I would recommend that you separate them in separate bags, like do a snack bag of the pennies, a snack bag of the nickels, a snack bag of dimes, and one for the quarters, and then put them all together in like a sandwich bag so that you can easily pull them out, because the lesson will say get this many pennies and this many nickels, and rather than digging through the whole bundle, you could just get the bags out and pull out what you need.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want more content related to all things family, such as faith, food, and homeschooling. The next video coming up in this math series is the Math 1 and 2 activity box. In the meantime, check out this homeschool playlist and this video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.